In this video, we'll explore the essential steps to planning a successful home renovation project. From setting a realistic budget to choosing the right materials, we'll cover everything you need to know to transform your space effectively. Careful planning is crucial, as it not only helps you achieve your renovation goals, but also minimizes stress and unexpected costs. We'll share expert tips and insights to ensure your project runs smoothly, allowing you to create the home of your dreams. Join us as we guide you through the exciting journey of home renovation planning. Step 1. Define your renovation goals and objectives. The first step in your home renovation journey is to clearly define your goals and objectives. Start by identifying the specific areas of your home that need attention, whether it's a kitchen upgrade or a bathroom remodel. Next, determine your budget and timeline, as these factors will guide your decisions throughout the project. Consider what you hope to achieve. Do you want to increase space, enhance functionality, or improve aesthetics? By establishing these desired outcomes, you'll create a focused plan that aligns with your vision, ensuring a successful renovation that meets your needs and expectations. Step 2. Research and gather inspiration for your renovation. Once you've defined your goals, it's time to research and gather inspiration for your renovation. Explore design websites, magazines, and social media platforms like Pinterest and Instagram to discover the latest trends and ideas that resonate with your vision. As you collect images and concepts, create a mood board to visualize your renovation style, helping you see how different elements can come together. While gathering inspiration, remember to consider functionality and practicality in your design choices. This balance will ensure that your renovated space is not only beautiful, but also serves your everyday needs effectively. Step 3. Create a detailed renovation plan. With your inspiration in hand, it's time to create a detailed renovation plan. Start by outlining the scope of work, breaking down specific tasks and establishing realistic timelines for each phase of the project. This clarity will keep you organized and on track. Next, research and list any necessary permits and approvals required for your renovation, ensuring compliance with local regulations. Additionally, develop a contingency plan to address potential challenges that may arise during the renovation process. By preparing for the unexpected, you'll be better equipped to handle any issues, ensuring a smoother and more successful renovation experience. Step 4. Hire the right professionals for your renovation. Finding the right professionals is crucial for a successful renovation. Start by researching and interviewing contractors, architects, or designers who specialize in your project type. Look for individuals with experience and a strong portfolio that aligns with your vision. Checking references and reading reviews will help ensure you choose someone who delivers quality work. Once you've narrowed down your options, discuss your vision and budget openly with your chosen professionals. Clear communication will foster a collaborative environment, allowing them to understand your needs and expectations, ultimately leading to a smoother renovation process and a more satisfying outcome. Step 5. Prepare your home for the renovation process. Preparing your home for the renovation process is essential for a smooth transition. Start by clearing the renovation area of furniture and personal items to create a safe and accessible workspace for the contractors. It's also important to communicate with your family about the renovation timeline, ensuring everyone is aware of potential disruptions and changes. If the project will significantly impact your daily life, consider setting up a temporary living space to maintain comfort during the renovation. By taking these steps, you'll minimize stress and create an organized environment that allows the renovation to proceed efficiently. Step 6. Monitor the renovation progress and stay involved. Staying involved during your renovation is key to ensuring everything goes as planned. Schedule regular check-ins with your contractor to discuss progress, address any concerns, and make necessary adjustments. Being flexible and ready to make decisions as challenges arise will help keep the project on track and maintain momentum. Additionally, document the process with photos to track changes and improvements, creating a visual record of your renovation journey. This not only helps you appreciate the transformation, but also allows you to share your experience with friends and family, celebrating the progress made along the way. In summary, planning a successful home renovation begins with setting clear goals and conducting thorough research. By defining your objectives, gathering inspiration, and creating a detailed plan, you lay the groundwork for a smooth process. Remember to hire the right professionals and stay involved throughout the project to ensure your vision comes to life. Now is the time to take action and embark on your renovation journey. If you found this video helpful, check out our video 5 contractor hiring mistakes that'll cost you thousands right up here on the screen. Thank you for watching.